My name is Dave. I'm here at Tameron Hyundai, and this is our Ioniq. The Ioniq has a waterfall grill. We have LED daytime lights. We also have the 17-inch alloy wheels. Come on, a nice red exterior. Let's go on the inside with the black leather interior. We have a sunroof up there. We also have a 7-inch screen that has a rear camera, and it is also equipped for Apple and Android Auto Play. But what makes it awesome to be a part of Tameron is our warranty. Our warranty, we have a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty, bumper to bumper. And on top of that, we have a 10-year, 100,000 warranty. And to make it even better, being a part of Tameron, we doubled that to 20 years, 200,000 warranty powertrain. My name is Dava. I'm here at Tameron, and you're really going to love the way you're treated. So call me at 404-645-3770. Take care.